Good morning, students. Happy Monday. It's our second week of online distance learning. I wanted to share our weekly learning objectives. For math, we're going to continue on with integers. Language arts, we're going to be continuing on with reading our informational texts and discussing the All About Me Google Slides project. History, we're going to continue with your COVID-19 writing journal. This will be the last week. Science, an Earth Day poster or a virtual field trip. PE, to be healthy and stay active. And arts, to be creative and try your best with each activity this week. This week is going to be a little different. I will be posting on Google Classroom content for you to complete Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The only thing posted for Tuesday and Thursday will be your daily smiles and a daily movement. So for today, Mindful Monday, 4/27/2020, you will be responsible to complete your daily smile, your daily movement, which is PE, language arts assignment, a math assignment, the COVID-19 Journal for History, science, and our beginning of the week check-in. This will allow me time to discuss any questions that you have or work on your personal goals for Tuesdays and Thursdays. All the assignments are posted in Google Classroom. Lastly, for our weekly schedules of May dues, Monday, the read aloud video will be posted regarding Hate That Cat. Tuesday, we have our class meeting at Google Meet from 1 to 1:30. Wednesday, we'll try our Prodigy battles again from 11 to 12. Let's share our world, location, and character names. Thursday, another class meeting on Google Meet from 1 to 1:30. And Friday, I'll post another read aloud video regarding Hate That Cat.